Okay guys, I am going to show you how to add your school year. Now, if you are just created your Planbook account, it's going to automatically take you to this page. Um, it's not going to have this here where it says select classes to copy. So for the school year, you're just going to type in like your name. So I write Miss C and then the school year 2020 to 21. You put the first day of school and the last day of school. And then you hit continue. It gives you this option here to go ahead and add your breaks in there. It already kind of has the main holidays, and then you can go in, fill these in. You can change them if you want to. These are all editable here. And then if you want to add more, because there are not enough, you just have to click the plus button to add additional school days. It's pretty self-explanatory. You type in start date, end dates, and then whatever you want to call it, and then you click add school year. Then it's going to prompt you to do your classes, and I'm going to make a separate video for that.